today's world, where digitalization, communication, and electrification are critical industry drivers for sustainable innovation, electromagnetic phenomena have to be understood and controlled as never before. To be successful, designers and engineers are looking for assessing electromagnetic effects early in the design cycle. The electromagnetics engineer role introduces a new paradigm to easily access the most comprehensive portfolio of electromagnetic simulation, Simulia CST Studio Suite, inside the 3D Experience platform. With this role, users will be able to install CST Studio Suite directly from 3D Experience Cloud for easy deployment and up-to-date release cycle, test SOLIDWORKS designs saved on 3D Experience Cloud with efficient workflows, and break silos between design and simulation. Associativity is ensured for intuitive what-if scenarios. Empower engineers with state-of-the-art virtual testing tools for antenna, microwave, and electronic device design to optimize performance and reduce the electromagnetic compatibility risk. And present KPIs and results with easy-to-understand dashboards to managers, customers, and decision-makers by means of a web-based app, even on mobile devices. Best of all, our unique solution is model-based as opposed to file-based, which provides seamless collaboration between other engineers and departments on the cloud. 3D Experience Cloud provides access to high-performance computing hardware for small and large problems. It provides a flexible and scalable solution for tackling immediate computing demands and for minimizing hardware costs. Simulia's electromagnetics engineer role facilitates efficient and smooth end-to-end processes, from conceptualization to design, simulation, engineering, and finally delivery to market. With Dassault System Solutions, you can streamline your design and simulation process today to produce the electronic devices of tomorrow.